Okay, first draw here one circle.
With the red color.
No, make with a pencil only. First, I show the basic. Basic is a circle and
What is red?
make the another like line like this. Here also circle. One circle and two circle. Do like this fast. Okay. Do like this. Okay. So easy. First circle and then the body. First do this. Yeah, head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Yeah, perfect.
I still remember that today. It has been a long time since you said head, torso, and pelvis.
Yeah, very simple. Head, torso, pelvis. Three circle. Head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Okay, just three circle. Very intelligent you are. So,
Dance for
Dira.
Me too, I am done. For me too, I am done.
Done? You done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this step all of you done, right? It's so easy. Just three circle.
Yes.
Okay. Now Adi Devika beta understood beta this thing three circle. Okay. Understood? Hemant beta understood now? Shatya Teja your
Yes. Yes, sir, I understood.
yeah your good name is Aradhya, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Aradhya. Understood, right? Okay, fine. So now, Devika beta understood, right? Fine. You mix one now. Create one line for the eyes
Eyes like nose.
and one line for nose. Yes, eyes line and nose line.
It is all simple.
Eyes line and nose line. Okay, do this.
Up and
Very simple. Eyes line and nose line. Okay. So
yes. Answer.
done. So make it after that. Okay. In between this line, middle in between this line, middle you make ear. Can you say that what animal it is in between this line? Wow, that's great. Your assumption. Your assumption is correct. Make the two ear. Okay. Very simple. In between this line here, I mean the middle of this line, you make the ear. Okay. See here, you make the hand. This is the hand coming from here. Bye bye. Yeah, one hand like this. 1, 2, and here's the finger. And this is the oval. 1, 2, and then this is the oval. Okay. This is one hand. Very simple.
The sound I am playing.
Hmm.
I'm playing a sound, you have to listen to it.
Oh, okay, fine. Fine, you can play. Oh ma, this is the meow. This is a meow. Okay, this is the leg. I draw the leg. See this one. 1, 2. Very nice, beta. And make a oval over here. Okay. Make like this. Okay. The another leg. Hands, leg. Okay. Understand, Daidash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think you should draw remote. I think you should draw remote on its hand. It looks like it is sitting on the sofa and watching TV.
Aha. Now I make this another leg. 1, 2. Another leg. I draw another leg. This is the oval. Okay.
Another leg.
Okay. Done that. Slowly. This another leg. Take time.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Another
4 leg. I make one hand also. I need some how to make one hand. So,
hand.
Anna. Double line. 79.
And a big tail. Like that.
Yeah. Double line 79. Anna. Join already?
Sir,
Yes.
that's my cap with the children's play.
Ah.
Even I can erase that.
Okay. Done. I mix once more. Here the hand, but here I make it one thing. Okay, the hand. I make it one circle, 2 circle, and after that 2 circle, you just erasing. Make 2 circle first. Okay, आराम से. Make 2 circle first.
Done.
Yeah. Try yourself. Okay. Yeah, Avika beta. Try yourself. Very good. 1 circle. All drawing with a circle, beta. 2 circle. Okay. Now you just erasing this. Okay. Understood, Avika? You can erase this line. Okay. This is the shape. This is the shape. Okay, beta.
Funny looking shape.
But I make it violin. I make the violin over here. Okay. I make a violin. Make a oval over here. Okay. It's a violin. It's yeah. This is actually violin. Okay. Small violin. Make it small violin like this. Okay. So this hand using the stick, violin stick like this. Very simple. Okay. So
Which hand is holding it?
yeah, this hand holding the violin sticks. Okay.
And who is holding it? If you leave it there, the whole guitar will fall down and then what? It is from a nursery rhyme.
Yeah, hi. So now this cat is singing a song. What song you know?
Hey Dilly Diddle.
He song this song. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the bell. Like this song. playing this.
Sir, I'm making the other hand.
Yes, sorry beta, you making other hand?
Yes, there is. Oh, अच्छा, so that's the other one.
Yeah, that's a small other hand. Only finger can see because you not see because this is the violin. They hold the violin. Understood, beta? Hemant? Vishnu understood? Keshav? Niranjan? Srijan? Yeah. So now I call to Anubhav. Take time, आराम से करो. अभिका बेटा, do आराम से बेटा. Lovely. आराम से take time. Hello. Hi ma'am, Tapan here. Anubhav joined today or evening? Sure. Right. You will before also. No problem. You can evening. Oh, okay, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So now I just make it here. The eyes, very simple eyes. See the eyes like a 1, 2. See, this is the eyes.
Is that an angry cat?
No, it is. There's the cat is a so so he's a so into the music. Hi, into the music actually. So we are going to আমাদের ফেসবুকটাও করে দিলাম আসলে কি আমি তো ইয়ে করলাম মানে তোর ফেসবুক অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলে ওটাতে অ্যাড করা এই সমস্তগুলো করছিলাম চারটে অব্দি। না আশা তো শুরু আমি এখনো অ্যাপ্লাই করিনি শুরুর জন্য। অ্যাপ্লাই করবো তার আগে আমি অ্যাডগুলো ফেসবুক লিঙ্ক হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ লিঙ্ক সব লিঙ্ক করা। So see here that keep keeping Mama tu chona mama. Chona mama tu baba. So can make it like this. Okay. So the monk, the yes.
Sir, I will not able to be trying. Will you show me again?
Yes, surely. Who says beta?
Sir?
Who says?
Sir, I am Ishan.
Ishan. Okay, Ishan. You need to make the face. What part you not able to draw, beta?
Sir, I am not able to draw the body and the face.
Okay, beta. I show you. First, you make the circle for the head. First, make circle for the head, and then you make it a line like this, small line like this, and here you can draw the two lines. One for hand and one for leg. Two circles, okay? Do first this and you join this one like this.
Sir,
I do the baby cat. Yeah. Actually, one student not understand Nishan. So I show again that how to draw. Okay. Devika beta, you also see how to draw. Very simple. I'm hack image. So make Ishan, then make the eyes line and nose line. Okay. Ishan, understood beta?
Sir, yes, sir.
How simple it is. First, these are first steps.
Sir, yes, sir.
Understood, Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Devika?
Sir,
Yes, beta. Please go, beta. Please go.
going to color this.
Yeah, I'm going to color this. Okay. This is small Xiaomi. Cute. Pussycat. So I can mix once more here. Ishan, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Then you make the eyes here. Simple. So here eyebrow. And here nose. So mother cats. Okay, training the baby cat. Okay, here I draw the hand. Sorry, leg. Here I draw the leg. I do color. Okay, I show the color also. See the baby. The baby don't know how to hold the guitar. He just take guitar like this. He holds the guitar like this. Small guitar. Okay. And he holds the guitar like this. No need to draw this one, only this one, okay? No need to draw this one. I just make it for fun. Ishan actually want to see. So see, I draw the another small baby. Okay, baby cat.
Why baby cat is hiding from mother?
Yeah, he tell that I don't play. Please help me how to play. And this is Sky, and this is the he playing the violin on the cloud. This is cloud. He's sitting on cloud. And twinkle little star is there here and there. Okay, do this. Nice. If you want to make sofa, this also. Very nice. So the color is so easy. Just make the grey color over here. So easy. Okay, whatever color if you done, then fine. No need to color. Just make. Yes. Okay, you can put any other color. Yeah, you can put any other color, or you can give this color, what I am putting. Okay, this is a pushy cat. Yes, beta. So you can put blue, the sky color. Yeah, it's also fine. Sky color. Usually the cat is a white or black or grey also. You can use the yellow ochre also. Yellow ochre color also can put. So I use basically the yeah, brown. No, blue is not cat.
I want to do cat.
Pink also I see cats have.
Orange. Sir, orange.
Yeah, but basically black and white and orange and brown, yellow occur, but blue not here happen. Anybody see the blue cat?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, I didn't see the blue. Blue. Yeah, I don't see the blue cats anywhere. Oh, right. Diptosh. Yeah, orange is happen, but not orange. A little bit of brownish orange. Little brown. Ray, এটা কি color? He is talking everything, beta.
My brother.
Yeah, your brother starting talking everything.
Yes, yes. He wants to know colors. He doesn't know colors very well.
Okay, so you help, right? Your brother? Yes, very good. Everyone have brother and sister, right? Here, mostly.
Yes, my brother and
Okay, no, either brother or the sister have, right? See, I make the sky color because this